WeatherTech Tailgate TechLiner is the easiest to install, custom-fit solution for protecting and preserving your pickup truck's tailgate. Before you begin, make sure your truck's bed is clean, dry, and free of dirt and debris. To install your tailgate TechLiner, first, remove it from the shipping box. Unroll and lay out on a flat and dry surface. For best results, lay the liner in the sun and put a small weight on each of the corners. Take note of the hook and loop fastener locations to prevent them from getting dirty or collecting debris. Do not remove the adhesive backing at this time. Start by using a 1/2-inch socket or a 1/2-inch wrench to remove the center bolt with the washer from the tailgate. Do not discard. You will use this bolt and washer in a later step. Next, place the 3 extrusions from the parts kit end to end against the plastic edge of the tailgate, with the opening facing the front of the vehicle. Make sure the extrusions are centered an equal distance from the plastic edge on both sides. Remove the adhesive backing from the first extrusion while pressing down firmly as you go. Place the next 2 extrusions end to end, resulting in an extrusion that runs the length of the tailgate. Next, lay the flattened tailgate TechLiner hook and loop fasteners facing down onto the tailgate, making sure certain features align. Take the 1/2-inch bolt and washer, previously removed, and reinstall them over the tailgate TechLiner. Be careful, do not over-tighten. Now, without shifting its position, bend the tailgate TechLiner backward and locate the first hook and loop fastener. Remove the plastic backing from the fastener and fold the tailgate TechLiner back into its original position, pressing down firmly on the hook and loop fastener location. Continue this process in a clockwise direction. Now, starting at one end, begin tucking the edge of the tailgate TechLiner into the plastic extrusion previously installed and work your way down the entire length of the tailgate. Please fully read the instructions and important information included with your tailgate TechLiner. Congratulations, your WeatherTech Tailgate TechLiner is now installed.